All right, boys, what's going on, man? I'm in Florida right now, man, hanging out with some family. It always feels so good to come back here, dude. I really want to live here, man. It's just been nice to it's a blessing that I get to be here after a rough week, bro. It's been good to just clear my head. Um, Not really, honestly, not even really think about trading, just kind of talking to God. I was just like, let me have this time to just calm down, understand where I'm at, where I'm going, and just keep my confidence steady. Don't like to overthink or do anything like that. So this has been good with helping me. So, but it's still the weekend, and here we are on the charts because we do have to do some back testing. That'll always be a thing. Just looking at the previous week and whatnot. So, yeah, let's pull this up. All right, as you can see, boys, we are on a pretty hefty losing streak right here after 3 really good weeks. And yeah, man, this is when this week was when all the fucking bomb shit news started happening. Fuck, we're dropping bombs everywhere, fucking left, right, bro. Markets were iffy. I know a lot of people that did good, really good this week, though. So that's something. All right, so we're starting on US 30 today, actually. Monday, 8:30. All right, let's go. All right, boys. All right, so coming into Monday, I'm seeing this top level, right, based off these wicks, whatnot. Bottom levels right here. Yeah, bottom levels right here, right? Take the short past this wick. Pretty textbook, man, I can't lie. Targeting this liquidity. Let's go on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens when market opens. That'd be a break even right now. Boom, TP hit. So yeah, Monday was really the only good day. Well, Monday was really the only textbook day we had. Um, Sorry, guys. All right. US 30 Monday was a W. That was easy. NQ dumped the exact same way. So if you took either one, you would have won. Let's go to Tuesday now. Okay, Tuesday. What the fuck am I looking at? I was like, bro, this does not look right. Here we go. All right. Your top level would be here. Okay. Your bottom level would be here. All right. Taking this short. See, this is tricky because this wick is super far, right? So, I mean, I don't know. Your trade could either look like this. Take profits definitely right there. Or your trade could look like this. Right? You want to wait for that push past that wick. And you're just targeting this other real level right here. I think this was the trade I took, this one at our level. So let's see what happens. I don't think we go long on this day, but let's see. Market opens. I'm pretty sure we go down. All right, well, let's draw this out just in case we go up, because I don't know. Yeah. Right, so missed our entry on longs just a little bit. You're just taking this once we push past this wick. If we do. Okay, had a little bullshit candle. Starting to come down. Not yet. Okay, we're in the trade, I guess, for longs. Boom, she plays out. What did I take on this day? Sorry, guys, it's kind of hot. US 30 short equal lows. Yeah, so, oh my gosh, I remember this day. So we had news on this day, right, at 9 o'clock. It was Poel speaking. And this is what I want to talk to you guys about, dude. I need to retard max, bro. All right, boys, I'm moving. I can't lie. I'm moving. I'm sorry. I'm moving. Y'all are coming with me. Dude, my laptop is hot as shit, bro. You got the kombucha and coconut water in this. If you guys don't know about kombucha, bro, shit, my bad. You guys need to get on game, dude. Kombucha is where it's at, bro. If you guys are still drinking soda in 2025, y'all are fucking lost. I can't lie. So good. Boys, look at where we're going, dude. This is why I fucking love this place, man. Look at where I'm about to go. A fucking hammock, dude. I'm about to back test on a hammock, dog. On the water, bro. Look at this. All right, boys. Finish the kombucha coconut water action. It's time to get real. All right. Let's get active. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. All right. So this is why we do these back testing sessions, right? And it's, bro, I'm not so when you have a model and it shows a certain percent of, and you have the data to prove that it's profitable or whatnot, you need to stick to that exact fucking model, okay? And this is what I'm not fucking doing, bro. On this day, I'm like price action. It's a little bit slower than usual, right? Our move doesn't happen instantly, which is totally okay, right? But I'm just thinking about that because oh, we have news. Maybe we're waiting for news. All this bullshit, right? Dude, I need to retard max, bro. When I logged on to this day, right, I saw that we had equal lows. And that was the trade I wanted, right? Because equal lows, right? I fucking lost that trade, bro. And I've been losing a lot of those trades, those like out of the ordinary, like equal lows or CME gaps. If it doesn't just line up with my trade, then I'm not going to be taking it anymore. I need to retard max this shit. If I retard max this day, I would have won. Simply, bro. I simply would have won. Dude, I'm really upset about that, but I was really upset about that. I'm not even really upset about it, man. I'm just trying to like I need to stop trying so hard almost. I just need to fucking draw my levels, take my entry. That's it. Right? So that was completely my fault. This day should have been a W. Okay. Going on to Wednesday. Alright. Dude, I cannot see, dog. Boys, the laptop is fucking hot. It's bad. Yeah, these levels are cooked. What is this shit? Alright, good bottom level, like right. I can't even really see, boys. I can't lie. It's kind of a. Okay, we're on the 1 minute. That's why, bro. I was like, what the hell, Patelli? Alright, so your bottom level is right here. Right. Top level is right here. Yeah. I already know what happens on this day. And you're taking your short here. Draw out those 25 pips. All right. So on this day, right, I saw this bottom level, and then I also saw this really significant level right here, right? Boom, 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 boom. Very significant. I also saw this little fair value gap right here, and I was willing to take this trade. And this trade does play out, but you're gonna see what happens before it plays out, right? So, essentially, right? Let's just go into it. Right, so understanding that we have a strong bottom level really close to our entry, that automatically makes me want to de-risk, right? Just because I know it's more of a risky trade. Okay, so we tag our entry and we instantly go back up, right? And you're going to see that I get stopped out here. Yeah, so you see that next wick goes up above our stop loss, and then it comes back down. I think we keep on going back up, yeah. Yeah, there it is. So I'm really stopped out now, okay? And then we come back down and we hit TP right here, okay? So what happened on this day was this candle that I entered on, this market open candle, it shot down instantly, okay? So what the model is you once you see price go past your level, you want to see a clean break. And a clean break is really just like halfway here, right? So you want to see price break this level, push to about right here, and then you want to see it sit there for at least a second or two so you can register it in your head, and then you want to see that second push to your entry, right? That didn't happen. What happened was price opened and we literally went doo doo, like it was like just one fluid motion. There was no stopping in between. There was no clean break and then second push. It was just clean break, second push. Like it was just all one fucking go. And what happens when it teleports down like that, you want to wait for that retrace because of how quickly it went down. So on this day, if I waited for the retrace and the second push, I would have won this trade. And that is something that I wasn't even really mad about because that's something I learned, right? So this was a big learning day. You're gonna see here I put no jackrabbit calling. That just means like for me, like don't be so fucking quick to enter, okay? When you see price teleport to your entry, bro, you have to wait for a retrace, a pullback, and then a second push. Essentially, you always have to be able to visualize the second push, right? So if you just go in one fluid motion, wait for the pullback, that would be your second push. Or if you just go clean break, second push, right? So yeah, this day would have been a W if I played it right. Okay, so going on to Thursday. Really bad week for me, boys. I can't lie, and I know every single mistake I made. I'm excited for this week. I'll tell you that much. All right, so Thursday, got this little top level here. Got the little bottom level right here. I forget what we do on this day. Sorry, boys. I'm teed. Can't imagine how goofy I look right now with this angle. Alright. Okay. So we have our entry set. Let's do that. I don't even fucking know, bro. I'm not trying to look. Alright. Market opens. Retrace. Pretty good for longs. We're chilling. Oh, I'm in the trade now. Okay, so we're in shorts right here, boys. Let's see what happens. I need to stay on the 1 minute. What am I doing? What did I take this day? This is a W, boys. Thursday. Oh, I took NASDAQ, dude. Yeah, dude. This one hurt, boys. I can't lie. So on the 20th, let me make sure it's the right day. 19th. I did not just do that, bro. I did not just do that, bro. I clicked the wrong one. I'm fried, guys. My bad. I was like, what the hell? I swear we went up this day. I know exactly what happened this day. Yep, I know exactly what happened this day. We had this really good top level here, boys. Top level for me is right here, though, just because these recent wicks, right? Dude, this was literally just a textbook day, bro. US 30 just does its fucking thing, bro. Per fucking usual, dude. Per fucking usual. I didn't have to draw at the bottom level. The bottom level is scuffed on this day. And that's actually why I picked NASDAQ over this day. Was simply just based off the bottom level. When we go on Thursday on NASDAQ, you'll see what I mean. This top level is very good, though. I remember saying that too live. So going on to the 1 minute market opens, it's just fucking W ass trade, bro. Yeah, like, this is annoying to watch, bro. Because, so once US 30 made this move, NASDAQ started to go down, and I went for shorts on NASDAQ, and it was great, bro. It worked perfectly, but US 30 just kept pushing when I thought US 30 was supposed to retrace. Unlucky, just an unlucky L, bro. Like, again, this was a fucking W, dude. Like, dude, I need to stick to US 30 on game. Okay, right, so going to Friday now. Alright, Friday. Oh, yeah, I remember this day, too. This day I picked NASDAQ again over US 30 only because of this bottom level right here. You know, you clearly have this bottom level, and then you clearly have this bottom level too, right? I kind of forget what US 30 does this day. I think we go up. Yeah, no, we definitely do go up. I remember this shit, yeah. And this faked out a lot of traders. This would have faked me out too. 100%. Actually, would it have? Let me see. No, it definitely would have faked me out. 100% it would have faked me out. But I don't know. I think I remember watching this. I think it did do the clean break and second push, and it just, I mean, sometimes you're just gonna lose, guys. But it comes up really quickly, comes down, and then it comes straight back up, and it hits everybody's TP. For me though, that's just an L, just because that was just a straight the fuck up fake out. All right, going on to Nasdaq, boys. Going on to Trash Pack. It's fucking hot, boys. Sorry for squinting. I know I'm like all over the fucking camera right now. Alright, NASDAQ Monday scrunch day. Alright, this was our bottom. This is our top level. This was our bottom level. Yeah. And again, dude, this is just fucking W easy day. We did this on, what was it? US 30. This thing still smacks. Fuck, I go for the 3RR to see if it smacks. You dump here in this trade, I mean, it just fucking runs, bro. It's just a textbook trade, like, literally. It's exactly what price is supposed to be doing. And then it just decided to, US 30 decided to be a good boy through the rest of the week, but I decided not to be a good boy and just fucking make this shit simple as fuck, bro. Trading is simple, guys. Y'all have to remember that shit. I'm I am forcing it to be more than it needs to be. Alright, so this is Tuesday, NASDAQ, top level's right here. Bottom level's kinda scuffed, I can't lie. Bottom level's right here for me. It's kinda fucked, I'm not even gonna lie. This is why I traded US 30 on this day. See, US 30 Tuesday, yep. US 30 levels were cleaner on this day. We can go back and check too. Yeah. NASDAQ, boom. Taking your long here. Taking your short here. I forgot what we do on this day on NASDAQ, actually. Market opens. React off that bottom level. Pretty good reaction, actually. React off that top level. Ooh, we get a little wick out ski. Missed my entry. What are we doing? Oh, this was the news day. Yeah. This was the news day. So price action was pretty slow on this day. I didn't like it. And yeah, so this came down, faked out a bunch of short-term traders. Um, and I think we go up and we just kind of fake out. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this was a bad day. This was an L on NASDAQ for sure. And keep that. Okay. Going on to Wednesday. Right then, boys. Oh yeah, I picked US 30 over this day, dude, because I didn't like these levels, dude. I don't like it when like I don't like it when we have middle levels. I just don't. Like, yeah, you have this right here, but taking your trade if you pass this. Taking your short if you pass this. Bottom level. See what price wants to do. Again, I chose US 30 on this day over NASDAQ because of the levels. How did I lose on? Sorry, boys, I'm backtracking. I'm just curious as to what happened on this day. Oh, yeah, this is the day where, yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, let's see what happens on this day for NASDAQ scree. Boom, we would definitely be in that. Yeah, we're in that for sure. Stop that. Oh, yeah, I remember this day. So I wasn't watching NASDAQ, so I don't know if it did the clean break or second push. Right? So I don't know if it just teleported, and if it teleported, you would have waited for that retrace and you would have gotten re-entries right here. Right here, you would have gotten re-entries. And it would have been like right here. So I guess we can see how this plays out. I'm pretty sure this does play out. Oh shit, it doesn't. Yeah, no, then this is just an L day because you either got faked out from the clean break and second push right here. And if you didn't take that initially, you got the retrace and you took the second push past this wick. Yeah, you would have lost 100%. This is an L. US 30 was a lot better. All right, going over to Thursday. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday. Boys, I'm so happy, by the way, man. I hope you guys really have happiness in y'all's lives. And if y'all don't, man, y'all should do more things that make y'all happy. I hope you guys have God in y'all's lives. It's really the only thing that makes me happy, man. I can't lie. All right, so this day on NASDAQ, Thursday, I picked NASDAQ over US 30 because, I mean, it was only because the levels were cleaner. But I'm looking at it, and it doesn't really look that crazy. Bro, the biggest fucking wasp just flew right by me. I'm not sure why I chose NASDAQ over this day, but they pretty much have the same levels, right? So you wouldn't be wrong choosing either or. Okay, you're just taking it once you push past this wick down here on these shorts, which works perfectly. Right. Let's see what happens, bruv. Boom, market opens, we dump. A little retrace, coming down. Pretty much. See, this isn't a clean break for me. Yeah, a clean break would be right here. So that would be clean break, second push. We're in this trade. And it hits. What? How did I lose this, bro? Am I fried, guys? Guys, am I fried? How is this a losing trade? What the fuck? Yo, I'm taught. Wait, how is it? I'm so confused how this is a losing trade. How did I lose on this day? NASDAQ short, lost, break even, got edged. And then I got stopped out on the 26th. That's why, bro, I did it again. I did the wrong day again, guys. I'm sorry. I was like, dude, that would have been special if I lost that trade, bro. Here we go. This looks much more like it. Okay. Dude. All right, boys. I'm not gonna lie, this day got me. I'm not gonna lie, this day got me. Right, so we have this top level, bottom level, right? Blah, 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 blah. I picked NASDAQ over this day because the levels are much cleaner. Yeah. Remember, this was the day that we had the good top level on US 30, but a really bad, not really bad, just kind of like not as good as NASDAQ here, where it looks a lot cleaner in my opinion. Sorry, boys, it's hot. A lot of people got faked out on these NASDAQ longs here. Y'all don't realize, dude, when you guys have a bearish or a confluence that works against y'all to y'all's trade, you guys just wait for the push out of it, right? And this works with my pit pushes, right? So I want like a 55, 60 pip push on NASDAQ. Boom, this is a 60 pip push, right? So I'm waiting for this bearish fair value gap to get invalidated, right? Because you're going to see what happens, right? We sweep out this 5-minute draw on liquidity. We respect this 5-minute gap. And look, we start to rotate to the downside. Boom. This shit hurt, boys. I can't fucking lie, bro. My mouse is tweaking. What the fuck? All right. Laptop does not like the heat, boys. I can't lie. All right. So on this day, bro, we had a beautiful clean break and a beautiful second push. Textbook. Literally textbook. This was the day that US 30 had the grid top level and we just started shooting, right? In my head, okay, we're going down on NASDAQ. US 30 just pumped. We have to retrace on US 30, right? So we're going to start rotating down. We got a beautiful clean break and a beautiful second push. And US 30 just kept pushing. So we never really got it. Caused dude, holy shit, boys, I'm sorry. It caused NASDAQ to literally just spike back up. And we got that retrace. And then we just redump all the way back down to TP. Yeah, so I mean, it is what it is, but can you go away? Yeah, you're interrupting for sure, for sure. All right, boys, moving on to Friday ski. I'm almost done. All right, Friday. Again, I picked NASDAQ over this day because I just like the levels more, right? Like, these were our levels on US 30. We had this tukey ass bottom level, right? Where you see this bottom level, but then you also have this bottom level. I just don't fucking like that shit. I don't. It's not as clean as this, right? Dude, this was another just took it in the ass. I can't lie. And by the way, guys, that Thursday trade I took, I was not upset about that at all because that was what I was using what I learned, and my mentor actually took the exact same trade and he lost too. So tells me I'm doing something right, right? Yeah, so market opens right here, really close to our level. I kind of want to see this retrace up into this right here. I remember what happens. We kind of dump halfway and then we retrace and then we get that second push. All right, yeah, so we come down, right? I did not take this initial push because this literally went from here to here and then we came back up. So now I'm just taking the trade if we can push past this wick. And it does happen. Boom, push past that wick and we just fucking go back up. Unlucky as shit. It just happens, dude. And yeah, these longs work out, yeah. Or no, these longs actually don't work out. You kind of get entries and then you have a heavy retrace. So that's like just like the market being indecisive, man, with this war news. But I'm not upset with my performance for this week. A lot of things have changed, though. You can put it like that. A lot of things have changed. I'm going to be retard maxing. I'm just gonna be taking my fucking entries. I'm not gonna be looking at anything else but that. And yeah, that's it, boys. Hopefully next week is a lot cleaner for me. It will be because I'll be retard maxing. This is a really bad week for me, boys, because I thought I could do the most. But yeah, we're gonna make it more simple. Next week, I did not do the thingy for Nasdaq. It was just a double L. Yeah, Nasdaq was rough, dude, and you can see I chose Nasdaq on the last 2 days. It's alright though. We will bounce back per usual, boys. And yeah, so you guys stay safe, stay blessed. I hope you guys have God in y'all's lives, and peace out.